They don't want you to know this, but you're eating predigested food, not baby food, not some survival mash. Real talk, your everyday groceries are being broken down before you even chew them. And this silent attack on our food has become one of the biggest threats to human health today. Ultra-processed food isn't just junk food. It has taken over everything. Grocery aisles, school lunches, hospital trays, even so-called healthy brands. People already know it's bad, but few understand why it's destroying the body so fast. New research exposes the real reason. These foods are predigested by industrial processing before they ever reach your mouth, and that completely alters how the body responds to them. Manufacturers literally dismantle real foods like corn, wheat, and potatoes, break them into molecular slurries, starch gels, protein isolates, and sugar syrups, then reassemble them to look like food, but they digest faster than anything nature designed. This is the opposite of farming, the opposite of real eating, the opposite of nature itself. This is not food, it's a system, a business model built on addiction and disease. So what exactly is ultra-processed food? It's simple. Food made from industrial ingredients no one can recreate in a kitchen. Not just packaged food. Scientists divide food into 4 categories. Group 1, real food, fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs, nuts, whole grains. Group 2, basic ingredients, salt, sugar, oil, butter, spices. Group 3, processed but natural, canned beans, cheese, fresh bread, applesauce. Group 4, ultra-processed, industrial formulations that barely qualify as food. An apple is Group 1. A homemade apple pie is Group 3. A McDonald's apple pie, Group 4, ultra-processed. In one controlled study, 20 people were locked in a lab for 30 days. 2 weeks they ate minimally processed food, 2 weeks ultra-processed. The meals had identical calories, fat, sugar, salt, and carbs. The only difference was processing. In just 14 days, people eating ultra-processed food gained 2 pounds. With real food, they lost 2 pounds without trying. This is not an accident. Ultra-processed foods are engineered to hit your brain faster. Same addiction principle as hard drugs. The faster it hits, the harder it hooks. Food companies know this, and they don't care, because this industry isn't feeding people. It's farming human appetite. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.